Okay, this one I'm not going to go through in this problem because it isn't different for each person. I just did something very similar. I just changed some of the numbers and I labeled both equations 1 and 2. Now I'm going to use something called the addition method, which is it's easier in this case. And the whole idea is I want to multiply one of these equations by something so that one of them cancels out when I add. If I look at the second equation, I have a -5 here. If I multiply the -5 by a 2, I could just add and the 10s would cancel. So if I do that to the second term, I have to do it to everything. So I'm going to multiply the entire equation 2 by the number 2. So hopefully I did my arithmetic correct. I multiplied through by 2 and I got 6. Then when I add straight down, the y's disappear as I intended it to, and I get 13x is equal to -1. The next thing I want to do is to solve for x, and I get 13x equals -1. Solve for x, I get -1/13. Now, to solve for the other equation, I could use either one of the equations to solve for the other variable. So I have x, which is -1/13. I solve for y. I just picked equation number 1, and I get 9 times -1/13. I'll substitute that x in there, and I'll get this equation. Now, I was kind of lazy. I didn't want to do it, so I went to Wolfram Alpha. Dr. Wolfram's going to be here next week. He's the inventor of Wolfram Alpha, and I encourage you to at least sign on to hear him. He's a legend. So we have, if we solve for y, I went to Wolfram Alpha and just did it, you get -41/65. Now your problem, they want decimal answers. I don't think I have it up here, but I recall that these are decimal answers that they want. So I would enter in decimal answers.